Hi everyone. Just a little update. I received a few comments and questions, just concern how's Tristan doing, any updates. Well, the reason why I'm coming to you today at this particular time is to show you guys, well, I don't know how he's going to be, but sometimes with kids with autism, it doesn't matter the age. From what I've been reading, when they have mood swings or they're not really wanting to be bothered, is an issue. And I know they have a special that's coming on Wednesday night. I think on a health channel, it's going to have a child with autism, a child with Down syndrome, and another child, like the day in the life of the parents. I can't remember the name of it. I know it's on like the health channel, Discovery Channel, or something like that. And I'm going to set it up and record it and see. But so he's just having one of his crying spells. Try to give him something to drink, and at first he didn't want it. Here, man, this is your juice. And particularly some things that may look different in the bottle, and I put it in a cup, it may look different, so he may want it again, he may not want it. So it just all depends on what type of mood he's in at that time. So right now he really doesn't want the juice, but if I leave it there, then he will go he'll go back for it. If he wants something else, like I stated in another video, he will come and take us, bring us to what it is that he wants, and then we'll just try to figure it out from there. You have to excuse the noise, because when I record in the evening, this stupid light has the fan connected to it, and I don't like it. So that's the background noise that you're probably hearing. So yes, I just wanted to give a little quick update on Tristan. I guess he doesn't want to smile for you guys today, so we'll try to talk to y'all later.